In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Slides to video. We'll walk through opening your presentation, locating the right menu, and launching the tool that handles the conversion so you can end with a smooth video version of your slides. First, head to Google Slides in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that your connection is stable. Google Slides works best in a modern browser like Chrome, and keeping other heavy tabs closed can help the process run more smoothly if your presentation has lots of media. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, look for the recent presentation section. This area shows files you've worked on lately, which makes it easy to jump back in. If the deck you want isn't there, you can search by title at the top of the page or navigate through your drive. The goal is simply to get to the presentation you plan to convert. Click the presentation you want to use. When it opens, take a quick moment to glance through a couple of slides. Check that your images, videos, and animations appear the way you expect, and that any slide notes or speaker cues are good to go. The cleaner your slides are now, the better your final video will look. Next, move your eyes to the very top menu bar. You'll see items like File, Edit, and View. Among them is the Extensions menu. This is where tools and add-ons live that can extend what slides can do, including converting your presentation to a video. Click Extensions. A drop-down will appear showing your available tools. You should see the converter you plan to use listed there. If you have multiple tools, choose the one you prefer for video export. Now, click Open to launch it. This typically opens a panel on the right side of your screen or a dialog box. Give it a second to load, especially if your deck is large, because the tool may scan your slides to prepare them for rendering. Inside the tool, look for a control labeled Highlight. Click Highlight. This often serves to confirm your selection or mark the slides the tool will process, and it can help the add-on focus on the current presentation. Some tools use this step to preview timing or emphasize what will be included in the final output. Let it run if it needs a moment and keep the tab active so the process isn't interrupted. That's it. You've opened your presentation, accessed the Extensions menu, launched the converter, and confirmed the slides by clicking Highlight. You're now set up to produce a polished video version of your Google Slides. Thanks for watching, and happy